Okay, here's a layout walkthrough of the Sealine S25. This is a 2004 boat, powered by an AD32 170 horsepower diesel engine. Access on board is via the stern gate. There is also a drop-down bathing platform on these boats too. This boat's nicely finished with synthetic teak. Through the transom gate we're presented by the cockpit. On the starboard side there is seating and cockpit table. To the port side we have a little shelf followed by cockpit fridge, stowage and gas lockers to the port side, and the helm position to the starboard. This boat also has a folding stainless radar arch, so that will give the boat a good sort of air draft. So if you've got bridge restrictions, then these boats are pretty good overall for bridge access. Moving up to the helm position, we have double seat. This boat is well equipped for coastal use. It has Garmin bow thruster, there's a Tridata in there, plus Furuno radar and Raymarine sharp plotter. So steps from the cockpit lead down into the main cabin. The cabin area comprises of a drop-down forward berth and table. Again, nice light airy finish on this. To the starboard we have a sharp TV and a hanging locker. To the port side we have a Plastimo Neptune 2-burner hob and grill. Stainless steel sink and drainer with mixer tap to port. The rear berth on these is just tucked under the cockpit sole. Again, reasonable size berth. You can also see the radar scanner, which has just been removed for the time being, plus the table extension to make up the forward berth. This boat also has Eberspacher heating, and on the starboard side here you've got the toilet compartment with manual Jabsco pump toilet and shower. These Sealines make a very comfortable weekender boat. They're modern in feel and are good for inland cruising and coastal waters alike. This boat is lying here at NYA Horning. If you'd like to make an appointment to view, feel free to give us a call.